thank you for acceding to my request, Mr. Commodore.
Matindi to.
You just called me a traitor, sir.
Yan.
Tama po ako, hindi ba?
No, sir.
Oh.
You are inconsistent.
No, sir. I did not say that you're correct. I will not agree that you are correct. West Philippine Sea is our exclusive economic zone.
Is it not important to you to correct something that did not originate from you?
It's because, Mr. Chair, the only time I learned about that was when I heard about your interview calling me gago and mangmang. Why would I even defend you if you're calling me gago?
Totoo yan. Ba?
Nasa Facebook po, nasa social media.
The word traitor. Mr. Chair, with your permission.
Butit inulit mo, Commodore, bago ka sumagot doon sa tanong niyang Juan, patapusin mo muna yung legislator and then you wait until you are recognized by the chair, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Please proceed.
You said that